Today, we're going to walk through a simple process that allows you to check your WordPress blog traffic statistics directly from your admin dashboard in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your traffic insights, how to read them, and how to use that information to improve your website's performance. Let's get started by heading over to the WordPress homepage. Open your web browser and type in wordpress.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login screen where you can securely access your account. WordPress gives you a few ways to sign in, but the easiest method is by using your Google account. Simply click on Continue with Google. A list of your Google accounts will appear. Just select the one connected to your WordPress blog. This step makes the sign-in process both quick and secure since it uses your existing Google authentication. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your WordPress administrative dashboard. Now that you're inside the dashboard, your next task is to locate your website statistics. Take a moment to look around the left-hand menu or at the top navigation bar for a link labeled Stats. Depending on your theme or setup, you might also find it under a section called Site or Tools. Click on Stats and WordPress will open a page that compiles all of your visitor data in one convenient place. This is where you'll find everything you need to understand your audience better. Within this stats page, pay close attention to the area labeled Traffic. This section is especially important because it shows detailed insights into how many visitors your website and blog posts are getting. When you click on Traffic, your dashboard will refresh to show data like the total number of visits, page views, refers, and sometimes even the countries your visitors are coming from. WordPress displays this information using simple graphs and charts, making it easy to understand trends over time, such as which days you received the most visitors or which posts attracted the most attention. Take a few moments to review and interpret what you see. These numbers aren't just interesting, they're powerful. They can help you plan your future blog posts, identify what topics your audience enjoys most, and even pinpoint when people are most active on your site. For example, if you notice that one particular post is getting more views than others, you might consider creating similar content or updating that post to keep it relevant. On the other hand, if certain pages aren't getting much attention, that's a sign they might need better keywords, stronger visuals, or improved headlines. The best part about checking your WordPress stats regularly is that the data updates every time you log in. You're always seeing fresh, real-time insights into how your content is performing. And because the dashboard is designed with clarity and ease of use in mind, even beginners can navigate it confidently. To quickly recap, the process starts by visiting wordpress.com and logging into your account using your Google credentials. From your dashboard, find and click the Stats section, then explore the Traffic area to view your visitor data in detail. With these simple steps, you can stay informed about how your website is performing and make smarter decisions for your content strategy. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to view your WordPress blog traffic statistics using the admin dashboard. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next.